You cannot have joy without sadness. That means you have to be absolutely grateful for every time that you are sad, because if you are not sad, you cannot experience happiness. This is the duality of life. The same way light doesn't exist unless darkness is present. Imagine if the world had no darkness. Would you understand darkness? Would you be able to even comprehend darkness if everything was bright? Would you be able to comprehend joy and happiness and gratefulness and all of these positive emotions if the negative emotions didn't exist? I mean, think about it. How would you be able to even feel happiness if all that you felt is happiness? You have to be sad in order to enjoy the happiness. And this goes for almost everything. Monetarily, if you're broke right now and you want to get rich, how on earth would you know how rich feels like if you've never been poor, if you've never been broke? So now every time there's a negative emotion going on in your life, or a negative feeling, or anything that's slightly remotely negative, appreciate it, because without this feeling you can never experience the other side. That is today's lesson. Peace out.